Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you removal and replacement of the side mirror on this 2000 Lincoln Town Car. Tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm socket and ratchet with extension. You may also need a couple extra tools if your car has been apart like this one has.
Door panel removal. It's fairly simple. On this vehicle, this door panel has been taken apart a bunch of times, so some of the fasteners may be different for you, as well as, for example, it has a screw here, which I believe most cars probably don't. The reason it has a screw here, I believe, is because so many of the pins in behind that hold it are broken. But what you want to start is remove your door lock knob just by unscrewing it. Okay. Then in under here should be two, on this vehicle, they're Phillips screws. And you just kind of put your screwdriver up under there. Now there's another Phillips screw up in here. Okay, and this pulls out. And then right in here you'll see there's another Phillips screw that goes into the door panel.
Okay, and as you can tell, I've been fast forwarding when I just get to the monotonous stuff. So you remove that screw, and then there's another screw next to the rear side of the pole.
Okay, then at the bottom, there's two more Phillips screws. It's kind of a little indent in the carpet. Just put your screwdriver in there, twist it a little bit, and you'll get to the screw. This car has a little torque screw here. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be there or not. I'll remove it. This may not be on all cars. Okay, and then there is another screw here, but this is broken on my car, so I know there's no screw in there. And then what there is there's a series of clips. So you would want to work your hand underneath here, and there's one clip right here, and get your hand as close to those. You can slide your hand underneath and you slide it over and you feel it getting tighter and tighter. Okay, and then you give a good pull and get that clip out. And then come up here on the top. Okay, give a good pull, another clip there. And then on these vehicles there's more clips. There's clips in the middle and more on the edge. But like I said, this vehicle has been apart a few times. Okay, and actually before you pull the door panel off, you want to pull your window switch up in the front and then pull it out. And then there's a series of harnesses that just have little tabs. You press the tab, pull the harness down. Okay, this gray one, tab, pull it down. Tab here on the black one. And then a tab here for the brown one. Okay, I'll pull the panel away, and there's a few more harness connections back here. A couple of small harnesses with a black and white connector. Okay, press a little button here, pull that apart. It's a blue connector here that has a tab on it that you pull the wires of the blue connector, pull the tab out. It's hard to see. Okay, and then there's a gray connector here. Okay, again, big tab. pull it apart. Oops. Looks like the screw's not quite all the way out, so. And your door panel is off. Okay, to remove the mirror, first you want to remove the speaker, because that allows you to disconnect the lead. There's two screws, one here and one underneath here. Okay, then you can remove the speaker. It's magnetic, so you just put it down like that. And then this is the lead for your mirror. You pretty much need to push this pin through here. So I'm going to pull on the back side, hit it with the butt of my hammer, my screwdriver. Then there's your lead for the mirror, and just pull up on a little tab here. And disconnect. Okay, now there's a panel here. Just pull it off, it just kind of snaps off. Mine's actually kind of glued on there a little bit. And then you've got three 8mm bolts. Okay, now your mirror comes out. Up and off. Here's my original mirror. New mirror from One Auto. You can see they're all the same. Ours actually has metal inserts in here. Makes it a little bit more durable. The original hardware screws right in though. Okay. It's heated. Connector is the same. As you can see, different color, but still is the same. And if you wanted to, this vehicle is a black vehicle, so I could probably bolt this on without any problem. But if you did want to, if you have a silver town car or white, you could get you could go to an automotive parts store that has a paint department. They can match up your paint with a paint code, put it into an air charge can. You can paint the head of the mirror to match and install it. Obviously on this vehicle, my old mirror is in fine shape, so I'll just put that back on. I'm not going to put a new mirror onto a car that doesn't need it. And to install, it's pretty much just a reverse. Put the lead down through the hole and feed it kind of to the forward part of the door to get it to go down in. And once it goes down in, put the mirror on. Start one of our bolts up here just to hold it in place.
Okay, so I'm just going to speed it up here. Getting it back together is just a reverse of the procedure. Get the mirror in, get it started, reconnect the harness, put your speaker back in and use the two Phillips screws to screw it in, and then finish fastening the mirror with your 8mm bolts. And when you tighten these, you want to make them nice and snug, not too tight, and then put your plate back on. And then we'll continue fast forwarding through putting the door panel back on. If you want to see this part in regular speed, please just check out our other videos for the Lincoln Town Car door panel. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.